Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
It's all about how much training Yakuba has been having. Yeah? So he's not ready for more than 30 at the moment, and that is a shame, but it's the reality. So, but when he comes in, he has something with him that's difficult for the defenders, and we hope that he could do his thing. We had one contra-attack there, where if he had the ball, I'm quite sure he's going to put it away. So we're happy with it.
This kind of North African style, maybe when they play first leg away and then they play home, I think it's quite changing. It's all about you, the team. We believe, and the most important coming into this game was to win and then try not to concede. So we're not thinking about that mentality of trying to settle the scoreline at home before you travel. We believe in ourselves. We are Asante Kotoko, and then we know that if they are Etoile, we are also Asante Kotoko. We want to play to suit our style. We don't want to change, as our coach always tells us. We are not going to change for anything. We will play as we want to play. So we believe in the most important, keeping the clean sheet and getting the 2-0 victory. We are glad with it.
We're going to play our style anywhere we go. Away, home, we're going to play the Kotoko style. We have no fear. We play 4-4-2 all match. So we didn't play 4-3-3. So we play opposite movements. So we adjust to the ball. So sometimes the system and the structure change the positioning. But we play 4-4-2.